Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology ka bahaba po ka jingpet bar ka jingkmi jong ka Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology ha ka khat sautari banail ber arjar khat khandai kala panlong ye ka jingpen sung thok paj ba halor ka rukom thiet jing thiet ba khlam pisa ne ka ta bangi tip kum ka digital payment ha ka ne ka jingpen chai paj ba bala panlong ha State Convention Center u General Manager but Officer in Charge jong ka RBI Shillong u Anurag Asthana u balong u Kongsan ula ay ka jingpen chai ka babnya halor kani hagani ke jing lang lai don lang ru director ke MNREDA Shillong u UN Madan ubala long sumbut kongsan bat kiwe
that some of the e-Kuber is the CBS platform of Reserve Bank of India. So the core banking solution which the Reserve Bank uses is called e-Kuber, and the state governments have integrated their treasuries with the e-Kuber. Unlike in Meghalaya, where Meghalaya transacts through agency banks, there are 5 or 7 private and public sector agency banks which collect the funds on behalf of the government, and on T+1 basis they remit the funds to Reserve Bank of India, because obviously the state government account is maintained with Reserve Bank. So there is a time lag when the amount is collected and when the amount is passed on to the state government. By integration of e-Kuber and treasury, on a real-time basis, the government would be receiving funds and it would be in a better position to manage their cash, because the MIS would be much stronger. So I hope the state government would adopt that in the times to come. More than half the state governments in the country, they have integrated their treasuries with the e-Kuber of RBI.